Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another SPY intraday price action analysis video. Today, SPY printed a hanging man candle closed above 20 EMA, filling the gap between the yesterday and the day before yesterday's candle. Let's move on to the lower time frame, 15 minutes. In yesterday's intraday price action analysis video, we mentioned that SPY has tapped into this resistance supply zone and printed a gravestone doji candle, and today it had a wild move down, breaking all this support levels and took a support only at this area, 685.23 level. It is also the golden fib level from this swing low to swing high, that is aligning to the 61.8% of the Fibonacci retracement from this swing high to swing low. And this demand zone we see here on the 15 minutes time frame, it printed a bullish hammer candle, moved back to test this resistance. Now it is a resistance because it broke down in the earlier session, so it is acting as a resistance level now. And came back down to retest the same support level again and moved back again into the same resistance level. This bearish fair value gap was already mitigated by this move. We may go and test fair value gap above or the supply zone again, and we have a bullish fair value gap in the 15 minutes time frame here, which may act as support in the coming sessions. So with respect to support, we have the near-term support of this double bottom and a swing low here where it tested multiple times around 680.7 level, and resistance. Currently we are in the resistance level, and above that we have this resistance at 690.46. The price today closed between this level, this fair value gap, and this resistance. Then we have the resistance level at the 693.7 level. If you look at the closure of the session and the 15 minutes time frame, we can see a rejection from this fair value gap, but then after this inverted hammer, it printed a bullish engulfing candle. So SPY may push above to test these gaps in the upcoming sessions. If you look in the hourly time frame also has the price dropped to test this gap and reverse back to test this resistance and gap. Looking at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Again, we saw a $7.39 move in the first 4 hour of the session and tapped into this fair value gap on 4-hour time frame, then printed a bullish harami candle on a inside bar. Price closed above 29 and 5 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. Still trading about 200 SMA on 4-hour time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, as we can see, printed a hanging man or hammer candle at the resistance, filling these gaps between yesterday and the day before yesterday's candles. We are still within this pattern, the ascending triangle or ascending wedge pattern, and price has been consolidating between these levels. 676.85 and 696.78. Between these two levels, price has been consolidating for quite some time now. Looking at the weekly time frame, so we are still respecting this bullish engulfing candle printed last week. So let's see how tomorrow goes. And tomorrow will be the last day of this month trading session. And looking at the monthly time frame, nothing changed, it's just a consolidator, and so far it's a doji candle taking support at 5 EMA, and the 9 and 20 EMAs are a little far away. Thank you for watching.